Okay, I thought I had a crisis on my hands here. Something really strange just happened, and I overlooked this. So make sure this doesn't happen to you. My 62 Comet, I'm running the engine. I just put the engine in this car. Well, it was several months ago, but I'm running this engine up, and all of a sudden, I notice a bunch of oil, and you can see the oil. The oil is just spewing out of the dip tube. See the oil droplets everywhere? I think my engine's toast. Have a little peek around. I bought this little chrome dress-up kit from, I bought this online from Summit Racing, and it came with these little breather caps. And I thought these would look kind of good, so I bought these breather caps. I put them in, only to realize that they're completely plugged. So, with nothing else being ingested into the carburetor or being allowed to vent, I must have been building up all this pressure and the oil was squirting out of this tube. So the minute I popped these off, I realized that these are very nice plugs. So, if you ever get a chrome dress-up kit and you want to put these on as decorative caps or breathers, because they are breathers, the rubber grommet, you got to cut this tip off. Otherwise, you're not breathing. So, this is it here. It's a nice mushroom breather. But, if you're not careful like me, you plug everything up solid and all your oil is going to spew out your tube, and you're going to think that your engine's shot. Scared me. But, I think everything's fine. I just ran the engine again with the breathers off, and everything's fine. So I'm going to cut some holes in these so that they're breathers, so the engine can breathe. Okay, lesson learned. Okay, I just cut the tip off of this, so engine should breathe. I did the same with the other one. So I may replace one of these in the future to suck into the carburetor, and I may just keep one of them plugged if one of them will work. Anyway, crisis averted. Nothing is spewing out of the dipstick anymore, and everything seems okay.